Hello everyone, good morning, welcome. And today is another unboxing video with the paper stationery. So if you remember, we did an unboxing last month or a month before. So one of my subscriber or viewer pointed out a mistake. I said for 6 months you're gonna get like every month you're gonna get a subscription box, which there is a 6 month. It is actually every 2 months. For 6 months you're gonna get. So I'm recording horizontal view, vertical view, and straight view. Some of the clue I got from the paper stationery's Instagram reels. It's a bee. You see, I did a small opening here because I was recording for Instagram reel. I hope you have seen it, or if not, yeah, of course you can definitely go watch or see that. So ready? Yeah. My favorite color is yellow. Last time it was my favorite art. It's flower. I think paper stationery is reading my mind. I'm being suspicious. If a yellow pops through, it gives me so much happiness. I should have a B-roll. Should I have a B-roll? So, look at BB. It looked like a kind of watercolor appearance. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it could be ink. Oh, I forgot to mention this is a gift which they gave me. Thank you, Peppery Jam, for that. That means a lot. That's wonderful to have that opportunity. I feel blessed and honored to do this. So I'm not wasting this. You see, you know why if you have watched the last video. Drum roll, please. Oh wow! Is that a flower seed? Man, that's awesome! The flower seed. Wow, Peppery Jam, well done. Some fun facts. It takes a hive of bees to make a pot of money. Sorry, honey. Bees don't know, they're small, so they do great things. Wow, that's a good one. Yes, if you never have heard about the Peppery Jam subscription box, make sure to check that. I'm using my phone, so I can't show you, but I'll put a picture of Peppery Jam's page here, so you can go have a look. Let me emphasize this point. It's not just for artists. It's not only artist box. It is a journaling box. Because I draw, I use it for drawing. Otherwise, it definitely can be used for anyone. So good. I don't want to tell you. I don't want to tell you. Ta-da! This is how I'm right now. Oh, I feel rich now. Look at. Oh, it's so soft. It's really so soft, guys. Oh, I love a keychain, guys. That's so wonderful. Look at that. You know, if you are someone who uses, the neck chain, you can definitely use this like a pendant. Look at that. Oh, I'm in love with that keychain. I don't know if you know, I'm a keychain lover. I have no use with this. I mean, I don't have a car or vehicle or even a key of my own, but I have keychains. There is something in. See, I can feel it. Oh my god. Do not miss whichever subscription box you have missed. I forgive you, but don't miss this one. Oh my god, I have an art pouch now. I don't know where to begin and where to start and where to stop. Oh, yeah, it's pen, right? So since I can't see this camera, I'm trying to give you a close look up through this one. What is this? I have no idea, really. Is it clear through sticker? Is it a sealer? Maybe a seal. I think it is seal. Must be like craft ink tag. Growing paper gift tag. Okay. It's an eraser. Okay, this one, my son is gonna blow away with this.
So cute. Oh, so cute. It's so like bubbly. So bubbly, guys.
I love washi tips a lot. Pepper Stationery does a lot of washes. It's a notepad. Ready? Ta-da! That's so beautiful. Oh, it's a fridge one. A cake sticker. Finally. Is there anything hiding here? Oh, it's thick. Last time it was paperback. Yeah, I use this. See? I painted from the last time. So, that one was smooth. This is like smooth and texture. Like, ooh. Oh, it's blank. I mean, it's so good for me. I mean, I can draw now. I'm definitely going to draw on this. More patterns are coming on this book. Make sure to subscribe to watch those. So I should draw on this. I want to create something on this with this. I I can't wait to start this. Hello everyone, good morning. So this is another day. We are going to start making something from this. So everything is here. Now I need to figure out what I'm going to do with all of this. I had a doubt about what is this, so I just messaged them and they said it is a sale, and turns out I can peel it off and use it. And this, we didn't open this one. Let me open the washi tape. Let me open that as well. Okay, that looks good. Look at that. That is beautiful, eh? That is definitely beautiful. Okay, so that's the washi. Oh, it looked like a gel pen. You see? See? I have an idea with this, but I was thinking like I should make a hexagon, the B hexagon with this. Before doing that, I need to think about how can I make this into something really interesting. Yes! Yes! I have an idea! I'm gonna get all of you out. All of you out. Ink. Okay. Let's seal it. Okay. 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 I messed it again. Something is wrong with me. Something is wrong with me because I'm messing it up. Yeah. Okay. Let's use one of the pen they have given. I definitely need to learn how to apply seal. My application is so poor. Seal, I just need to apply it, you know. And I'm like just putting it there and rubbing all around. But the fact that I don't hate this, it looks something cool. So they have some sticker there. This shape of the leaf. I'm gonna use that. You know, if I was using this a year before, I would have tear this page up and I would have done new page. That's what perfectionist attitude was there, and also I was a beginner, so I felt if it's not right, if it's not neat, then it's not an art. That's what I used to feel, but not anymore. No, I don't feel that same way. Let's have a ASMR. Oh no, man! Instead of kiss cut, it is cut through the paper. It's a little difficult, but I think it's still manageable. You can still open it up. Yep, we got it. Yeah, little color, little color. Ooh, I got this. It was not under the camera. And okay. Change of plants. I think I'm not going to use the yellow thing yet, at least not yet. So I think I'm gonna use the sticker there. Let's use more stickers. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stick that there. I'm not sure if it's good or not, but my jelly is saying do it. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna stick it there. Let's listen to the jelly, shall we? Okay, that's better. So this was the sticker backing card. When I look at it, I see beautiful the bee. What is this thing? What is this thing? What is this thing? I forgot the name. Anyway, you got the point. I was thinking to put this over here and leaving all this as it is. So to cut it, you know, like one giant piece, like also cut from there, and also I'm gonna use this one too. Hopefully, let's see. I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but we're gonna start with the cutting. So in this notepad, if you see, they put a black square there. I do want to replicate that over here. Before doing that, we didn't use this washi yet. If you heard about, you know, washi drawing, I really love that art which is created. Again, like I said, the problem is the paper is very thin here. So if I did that, maybe, I'm not sure, maybe I'll cut the paper off. I'm not sure. Other way, I cannot do it in other ways. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try here and see if that's gonna work.
They close at 4.
Okay, coming. Okay, so I have to go out and I came back just now. So I think I'm gonna done with that. I don't know if I'm gonna do this because it's, see, I might destroy everything, so it's fine. Now the black line which I said.
And then put it there as well.
And it. Okay.
You use this one.
That is. So what can I do over there? Should I do something over there? Oh, I forgot to do something. I was planning to do something and I forgot it. Okay, I was thinking like I'm gonna hang it here. So I need to make it over there. Okay, in there. Like that. Over here there were some good cards. I'm sitting there with this for whole day now. I'm gonna put it there. Okay. How about this way? Okay, I think I should put the B's. You're not just B. I'm gonna put that there. Yeah, over there. Okay, let's put some honeycomb here. Okay, I think that will be enough. And yeah! And so that is it. I'm gonna put a B-roll for you guys. So if you do like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to my channel to watch more art related videos. I hope you enjoyed the subscription box. If you want to see more of videos from the subscription box, make sure to let me know that as well. And thank you so much, the Paper Jam, for the subscription box gift. And it was a wonderful experience to create this. I mean, my brain just exploded to make this. I really love this. I really enjoy this, making this. It's like so much wonderful. There are so many opportunities to make so much of content or to make your journal with this subscription box. You can get all those materials and create wonderful sketchbooks. There will be something that you love in this type of subscription box. It's not about creating so much beautiful stuff. It's about the time you spend to creation. It can be beautiful, it can be worse, it can be not beautiful, it can be horrible, but the time you spend to create that thing, create that creativity, it's like me time. I'll be linking their details over here, over the description box. Make sure to join them. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, if you do enjoy, make sure to leave a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Both of these are going to help me to create more contents for you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know once you're joined. Thank you again for watching all this video, and thank you Peppery Jam for this subscription box, and I will see all of you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, have a wonderful great day and just stay safe.